Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kauthar. If this is your very first time here, and I'm Nigeria's crochet queen. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful edging. It's a lace edging, and it's going to be even nicer if you're doing this with a lace yarn or a thin yarn. But if I use a thin yarn for this tutorial, you might not see what I'm doing clearly, which is why I've gone ahead to use a worsted weight yarn. But before we get into it, please take a moment to subscribe to my YouTube channel down below. I post a lot of crochet stitch tutorials. In fact, I'm going to leave a playlist of my other crochet edging tutorial in the description box below, so you can click on that to watch other edging tutorials that I've already posted on my channel in the past. I also have different stitch tutorials that you can use for your projects, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe. And all that being said, let's just get on into this tutorial. We're going to be starting with a chain of 22 because for this pattern we need a multiple of 4 plus 2. So 20 is a multiple of 4, and then we add 2. 1, 2, 3, 21, 22. I have 22 chains now, and we are going to add 3 chains, and this will be our turning chain. 1, 2, 3. So these 3 chains are the turning chain. These 3 chains are part of row 1. The foundation chain is 22 chains, which is a multiple of 4 plus 2. And to begin now, we are going to do a treble crochet in the 7th chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We do a treble crochet here, and to do a treble crochet you yarn over twice and you put your hook into the stitch that you want to work in. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So you are pulling through 2 3 times. Once that is done, you chain 3, and now in the body, in the posts of this treble crochet, you're going to do 3 double crochets. So here's what I mean. You do 1 double crochet there in the body of the treble, 2 and 3. Okay, once this is done, you're going to skip the next 3 chains and do another treble crochet in the next chain. Skip 1, 2, 3, and in here we do a treble crochet. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and you chain 3 again. In the post of the stitch you do 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. You do the same thing, skip the next 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and in the next one you do another treble crochet, and now you chain 3 double crochets in the posts of that treble crochet. So I basically continue this, another treble, skip the next 3 chains and do a treble crochet in the next chain, and then you chain 3 double crochets in the posts of that treble crochet stitch. Skip the next 3, 1, 2, 3, treble crochet here, and now you chain 3 double crochets. And now we have 2 chains left. So what you're going to do here, you're going to skip the next chain, and in the last chain you do a treble crochet. And this brings us to the end of row 1. The chain 3 at the beginning of the row 2 serves as the first double crochet for that row. So now we're going to do a picot, which is chain 3 and then do a slip stitch in the 3rd chain from the hook. Once the picot is done, you chain 2, and now we're going to do a single crochet in the space between the chain 3 and the 3 double crochets from the previous row. Single crochet there, Now chain 2 again and do another picot, which is chain 3, slip stitch in the third chain from the hook, chain 2 again, single crochet in the space between the chain 3 and the 3 double crochets from the previous row, chain 2 again, do a picot by chaining 3 and then slip stitch in the third chain from the hook, chain 2, single crochet in the space between the chain 3 and the 3 double crochets from the previous row. So by having this, chain 2, do a picot, slip stitch in the third chain from the hook to do the picot, chain 2 again, single crochet in the space between the chain 3 and the 3 double crochets, chain 2 again, do a picot, slip stitch in the third chain from the hook, chain 2, and now we're going to do a single crochet in the space between the chain 3 and the 3 double crochets to end off with chain 2, do another picot, slip stitch in the third chain from the hook, and after this picot you're just going to do a double crochet in the top of the chain 3 that we did at the beginning of the previous row. So this is our row 2 complete. To begin row 3, we are going to chain 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then turn the work. In the single crochet that we did in the previous row, we do another single crochet there, chain 6 again, single crochet in the next single crochet, chain 6 again, single crochet in the next single crochet, chain 6 again, single crochet in the next single crochet, chain 6 again, single crochet in the next single crochet. And now that we're almost done, chain 3 and do a double crochet at the top of the chain 3 that we did at the beginning of the previous row. And with this, we've come to the end of row 3. To begin row 4, which is our final row, we're just going to be repeating what we did in row 1. So you start by doing a chain 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Once you're done with your chain 6, you're going to do a double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook, 1, a double crochet in the next chain, 2, and a double crochet in the last chain, 3. Now once this is done, you do a treble crochet in the middle of the next chain 6. You know, this is the next chain 6, so you do a treble crochet in there. Once that is done, you chain 3 and do 3 double crochets in the body, in the post of the treble crochet, 1 2 3. Okay, so we're just going to continue this treble crochet in the middle of the next chain 6 space, chain 3 and do 3 double crochets in the posts of that treble crochet, treble crochet in the next chain 6 space, chain 3 again and do 3 double crochets in the posts of the treble crochet, treble crochet in the next chain 6 space, chain 3, 3 double crochets in the body of that treble crochet. And now once you come to the end and there is no chain 6 space left, so remember that we did a chain 6 at the beginning of the previous row, so you count in the 4th chain, you count 1 2 3. This is the chain 3 space, so in the 4th one you do your 3 double crochets there. 1, 2, 3. And with that, we've come to the end of this easy edging. So I'm going to chain 1 and fasten off. So with that, we've come to the end of this edging. This is what we have. I think it's really nice, especially if you're working this with a lace yarn, very thin. I think this looks really, really cool. I'm definitely going to be using it. If you're going to be using it, comment down below, let me know what you're going to be making with this edging. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more crochet tutorials like this. I post a new crochet video once every week, and I'm sure that you're going to find my channel helpful in improving your crochet craft. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to share this video with your other crochet friends, and I'm going to see you next week with another video. All right, take care. Bye.